If you want to link a Google Sheet to a data viewer in Thunkable, the process now works mainly through the AI chat instead of manual setup. This means you'll be describing what you want, and Thunkable will handle most of the configuration for you. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and selecting the project you want to work on. Once your app loads, make sure you're inside the main editor where the AI chat is available alongside your workspace. This chat is now the main way you build and connect features in your app. Before you do anything in Thunkable, prepare your Google Sheet. Make sure your data is structured properly in rows and columns. The first row should contain clear column headers, such as name, description, price, image, or any field your app will display. Each row below that represents one item of data that your app will show inside the list. Once your sheet is ready, go back to Thunkable and open the AI chat. Instead of manually adding a data viewer and configuring everything, you can simply describe what you want. For example, you can type something like connect this project to a Google Sheet and display the data in a data viewer list. The AI will interpret your request and begin setting up the necessary structure in your app. This usually includes adding a data viewer component automatically, creating a data connection layer, and preparing the screen where your Google Sheet data will be displayed. At this point, the system may ask for the Google Sheet link or access details. You can paste the shareable link of your Google Sheet, making sure it is set to allow access. The AI will use this link to pull the data into your app. Once the connection is established, the AI will automatically map your Google Sheet columns to the data viewer layout. This means fields like names, descriptions, or images will be assigned to how they appear in each list item. You don't have to manually drag or configure each mapping anymore, because the system handles it based on your data structure. After setup is complete, the data viewer in your app will start displaying the rows from your Google Sheet. Each row becomes an item in the list, and any changes you make in the spreadsheet will reflect in the app once it refreshes or reloads the data. From here, you can continue refining your setup using the chat. For example, you can ask the AI to change how the data is displayed, add images from a column, filter items based on conditions, or sort the list in a specific order. The workflow is completely conversational, so you're adjusting your app by describing what you want rather than building it manually. It's also important to make sure your Google Sheet stays structured properly. If you change column names or rearrange data, you can simply tell the AI to update the mapping so your app stays in sync with the sheet. Once everything is working, you essentially have a live data-driven app where your Google Sheet acts as the backend database. This makes it very easy to update content without touching the app itself, since everything flows directly from the spreadsheet into your data viewer. And that's how you link a Google Sheet to a data viewer in Thunkable using the new AI-based workflow. Instead of manual setup, you simply describe your goal in chat, provide your sheet link, and let the system build and connect everything for you.